Hey creators, y'all know what time it is. The holiday season is right around the corner, and it is not just for shopping or the cozy vibes. The holiday season is one of the biggest opportunities for content growth and income opportunities. I'm Bree-Ze, the creator, and welcome back to the Creators Corner. Today, we are going to be talking about building your holiday content strategy. This is one-on-one. Okay, we're going to be doing a step-by-step plan to help you stay consistent, help you stand out, and earn during the busiest season online. Let's get into it. All right, so we're going to start by talking about why holiday content matters so much. Y'all, the searches, the shopping, the social media engagement, it is going to skyrocket. For me, what I feel like is the absolute most pivotal time, I would say will probably be mid-October till February after Valentine's Day, okay? And I'm going to tell you why. It is because brands are spending on ads and influencer campaigns like crazy, okay? Your audience is out. They're online. They are looking for tutorials. They're looking for the gift guides, the cozy routines, the party inspos, you name it. They are searching for the content. So we want to create a really clear plan that's going to let you show up, that's going to get you seen, and that is going to avoid that last minute stress of trying to create during the holidays, because we're trying to celebrate too. All right, so number 2, we're going to be talking about mapping out your goals for the holiday season, okay? Start by setting you 3 goals. Number 1 should be based off of engagement, building your audience and your community, something in that realm. Number 2 needs to be about your growth. So how you're going to increase your reach or what your seasonal trends are going to be. And number 3, monetization. What brands you want to work with, what products you're going to sell, what affiliate links you should have set up. Write them down so that every single post can serve a purpose. Next up is going to be content ideas and breaking them down by your niche. So here are some ideas that you can tweak to your liking and use them to create themes based off each holiday. Y'all following? Okay. So lifestyle, morning routines, home decor, gift wrapping hacks. You can do those things for each holiday. Halloween, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, and Valentine's Day. You can create those things for each themed holiday. Y'all got it? All right, next up is going to be all about the food. So your holiday recipes, your cocktail how-tos, your easy dessert recipes. You can do those again for each specific holiday. Y'all following? Y'all following? Next up, your beauty and your fashion, okay? Party looks, gift sets, gift ideas, shop my outfit, okay? Links, attach them affiliates. You see where I'm going? You see how we doing this? Yeah, we ain't playing today. Next up is going to be your business and education and entrepreneurship. So what are some year-end tips or even specific holidays? So what are some Halloween tips, Christmas? Don't forget Cyber Monday, Black Friday. Y'all got me? New Year, Valentine's Day, okay? Planning for 2025 going into 2026 or closing out Q4, right? You can do those themed videos. Best tools for the end of the year. All right, so again, y'all want to mix these evergreen video ideas and tips with some trending audio, with some challenges, throw some of that in there because, you know, it's holiday season. We're going to have them, okay? Cool. And of course, y'all know how I feel about this, but batching and scheduling the content. I'm telling you, especially during the holiday season as a curator and a content creator, that is the time to do it. You need to batch create during holidays because I'm trying to enjoy them too. I'm human. I want to be with my family. I want to shop. I want to do the things as well. So batch, film so that you can stay ahead during the holidays. You don't want to miss the opportunity for the growth, okay? So choose a shoot day. Shoot all your TikTok reels one day, all your Facebook, all your YouTube, whatever. Record 3 to 5 outfits or scenes so you can have that variety. Again, use your Canva templates for your graphics, for your thumbnails. Schedule it. You want to use YouTube Studio, TikTok's drafts, Instagram planner. Get your queue ready so that you are completely free to really enjoy your holiday season too. I'm putting y'all up on game. All right, and then last but not least, the monetization opportunities, y'all. Holiday season equals higher budgets. That is great for us. Holiday season equal they got more money. They are They have no choice but to spend this money. They're using it to spend to get an increase. So that means higher budgets, higher opportunity, and higher earnings for us as curators and creators. Okay? So you want to pitch brands for gift guides and sponsored reels. You want to add your affiliate links for the products that you actually recommend and that you're actually using or would actually buy. Okay? We ain't playing around out here with these people because then they won't trust you no more. And then you want to launch a mini digital guide or mini digital products, a holiday planner, a recipe ebook, a style guide, some kind of digital, mini little holiday thing. Y'all follow me? Next, you want to offer, if you offering these type of services, but offer gift cards for coaching, mini sessions for your audience. You know what I'm saying? Top of the year, end of the year, holiday themed little workshops or something like that. You know what I'm saying? Zoom calls. Yeah. All right, y'all. So holiday content does not have to be overwhelming. That's all I'm trying to tell y'all. Start right now. Plan ahead and you'll enjoy the season while your platform is still growing. Okay. So without further ado, we get into today's homework. We got homework. All right. So for homework, I want you to pick 3 holiday post ideas today and schedule your batching session this week. So drop your 3 ideas in the comments below so that we can support you, and also drop the link to the platform that you're going to post them on so that we can go actually see, did you do what you said you were going to do? Because really, if you don't, you disappoint and you're letting yourself down. Okay? Clock that. So I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope it was valuable. Don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Comment, subscribe. Hey, like, share, comment, subscribe. Comment, subscribe. Okay? Also hit that notification bell so that you know every time I post another video. So next Monday, make sure y'all are tuned in because class is going to be in session 10 a.m. The Creators Corner next episode. I will see y'all. Happy holidays. Happy creating. Bye.